I made a rope ladder from a fairy garden fence. This is the rope ladder that I made out of a fairy garden fence. These rungs had holes drilled through them on each side and were stringed together like a fence. My wife and I sanded down the edges to make them round, and then I tied string on it about an inch apart to make a rope ladder. You'll probably do the same thing with popsicle sticks. I might have to try that in a DIY video. I attached hooks on the ends so it could be hooked onto something, and then the figures could climb up it. It's not very long. And it works really good on a flat surface. If you'd like to see a DIY video of this, leave a comment or ask a question in the comment section. I'd love to see what you think. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified for new videos. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.